In the series about importing tags, a lot of colors were imported already. This video is about mapping files and folders from the dataset to files and folders on the system. After opening the dataset, we can see that all tags are mapped with tags on the system. Nothing has to be done here. Therefore, we go to the Files and Folders tab page. On the local system, we locate the files which are linked with the tags in the dataset. The most easy way of mapping here is to use the containing folder. Once the folder is selected on both sides, we use the Map button. Note that there is no need to map the highlighted folders in this example. They are not linked to any tag in this dataset. The files are now mapped. We go to the Finish tab page. The summary shows the counts. We run the import. As illustrated in the Explorer on the right side, the files on the system are now tagged.